Welcome back to Beautyistic, where we explore the beauty products that make a real impact in your routine. If you're a fan of long-lasting lip colors that don't budge, you're in for a treat today. We're talking about the Revlon ColorStay Ultimate Lip Lipstick in the shade 03U Miracle Mauve. It promises an impressive 24-hour wear with a soft, satin finish, and it's designed to stay put no matter what you're up to, whether you're eating, drinking, or even talking for hours. Let's dive into the details and see if it truly delivers on all those bold claims. Product overview. The Revlon ColorStay Ultimate Liquid Lipstick is a liquid lipstick designed for long-lasting wear with a satin finish. This lipstick claims to provide full coverage with just one application, no top coat needed. The formula is food-proof, transfer-proof, and promises to stay intact for up to 24 hours. The shade we're reviewing today, 030 Miracle Mauve, is a stunning soft mauve that works well for both day and night looks. Inside this sleek little tube is 0.1 fel-ounce of product, which is fairly standard for liquid lipsticks. With 12 shades to choose from, the range offers everything from neutral nudes to bolder pinks, reds, and purples, making it a versatile option for a variety of makeup looks. Real-world testing and usage experience. I've worn this lipstick throughout my day in a variety of scenarios, from my morning coffee to lunch and even a Zoom meeting. The first thing that caught my attention was how smooth the application was. It glides on easily without any streakiness, giving an even coat of color with just one swipe. The texture feels almost like a velvet cream. Not too drying, but still set firmly into place once it dries down. I've tested this lip color with food and drink, and I was honestly impressed. There's minimal transfer, even when sipping from a glass or eating something greasy. While it didn't last a full 24 hours on my lips, especially with more intense wear at the edges, it held up beautifully for about 10 to 12 hours, which is pretty solid compared to many other liquid lipsticks in the market. Pros and cons. Let's talk about the pros. First, the satin finish is gorgeous. It's not as glossy as a traditional satin lipstick, but it gives your lips a healthy, smooth, and comfortable sheen. I also loved that the product didn't feel overly dry, like some other Longwear liquid lipsticks can. The color payoff is great, with just one coat delivering intense, full coverage. On the downside, the wear time could be a bit longer for some, especially those expecting a true 24-hour all-day wear. I noticed some fading towards the edges after a meal, though it didn't completely disappear. Another con is the limited shade selection. While 12 shades is decent, it might not cover the full range of undertones for everyone. If you're looking for more bold or deep shades, you might find this range a little limiting. Value for money. At around $10 for 0.1 fel-ounce, this lipstick is priced fairly competitively for a drugstore liquid lipstick. Considering the long-lasting wear and the smooth application, I think it offers solid value, though it's not the cheapest option out there. However, the satin finish and comfortable feel definitely justify the price point for anyone looking for a comfortable, durable lipstick. Comparisons. When comparing it to other popular Longwear lipsticks like the Maybelline Superstay Matte Ink or L'Oreal Infallible Pro Matte Liquid Lipstick, the Revlon ColorStay falls somewhere in the middle. It's not quite as long-lasting as the Maybelline Superstay, but has a softer texture and more comfortable wear. The L'Oreal version is similarly priced, but the Revlon formula feels a bit more moisturizing in comparison. Build quality and longevity. The packaging is sleek and functional. It's not overly bulky, and the wand provides enough control for precise application. As far as longevity goes, I was pleased with the wear, but like any lipstick, it will need to be touched up after meals or when drinking heavily. However, I didn't experience any cracking or uncomfortable dryness like with some other matte formulas. Customer support. I haven't had any direct interaction with Revlon's customer service, but they generally have a solid reputation for addressing inquiries and providing good customer support. You can usually find helpful information on their website or through major retailers. Product alternatives. If you're looking for a cheaper alternative that offers similar benefits, the Maybelline Superstay Matte Ink would be a great choice. It offers comparable long-wear performance, though it can be a bit more drying for some. Alternatively, the L'Oreal Infallible Pro Matte is also a solid contender, providing a smooth matte finish and long-lasting color, though it's slightly less transfer resistant than the Revlon. Final verdict. Overall, I think the Revlon ColorStay Ultimate Liquid Lipstick delivers what it promises. A comfortable, satin finish, long-wear lipstick that stays put throughout your day. It's great for those who want full coverage without the fuss of frequent touch-ups. However, it might not be the best option if you're looking for a true 24-hour wear with absolutely no fading. It's a great middle ground option for anyone looking for durability, comfort, and beautiful color payoff. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thanks for watching, and remember, if you've tried this product, drop a comment below. Let us know your thoughts. We'd love to hear from you. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.